6 बॉल में 6 विकेट है, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल। तो ऑफ कोर्स इंस्पिरेशन होती है, कहीं से तो मिली होगी कि ऐसा नहीं कि आपने बल्ला उठाया चलो मार दिया। 6 साल के बच्चे के दिमाग में कैसे आता है कि आई वांट टू प्ले क्रिकेट। तो मैन ऑफ द मैच आपको बहुत सारे मिले हुए हैं, तो इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट जर्नी फ्रॉम यूएई टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो हाउ वुड यू डिफरेंशिएट व्हेन यू गो टू द ग्राउंड? जब आपका पहला दिन था, क्या सोचते हो, आपको नर्वसनेस कितनी हुई थी? वेलकम टू नीजी की आवाज़ आप तक। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है कैंप पॉडकास्ट में। आज का टॉपिक हम बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने वाले हैं कि पूरा वर्ल्ड, पूरा इंडिया लगा लो, एक जो स्पोर्ट के पीछे भागता है, जिसको भगवान मान के हम पूछते हैं, उसकी बात करने वाला है। सो लेट्स गेस कपल ऑफ थिंग्स जो शुरू से हमारा नेशनल गेम नहीं रहा, बट हम नेशनल गेम की तरह उसे फॉलो करते हैं। यस, यू आर राइट, हम क्रिकेट की बात कर रहे हैं। इंडिया हो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो या तो फिर कोई दूसरी कंट्री हो, हर एक लोग क्रिकेट के पीछे भागते हैं, क्रिकेट के दीवाने। हर प्लेयर मतलब जिस तरीके से वो खेलता है उसके पीछे कितने सारे क्या थॉट्स होती हैं उनके दिमाग में, क्या प्रोसेस चल रहा होता है, कितनी मेहनत होती है, वो हम लोगों को नहीं पता। तो आज हम क्रिकेटर की लाइफ के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं और उसी टॉपिक पे जुड़े हैं आज हमारे साथ हर्षित सेठ, जो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर है यूएई से। तो स्वागत है आपका हर्षित, बहुत बहुत सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू नीजी की आवाज़ आप तक। आई नो दैट यू कैन कम्युनिकेट मच इन हिंदी, बट इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे आज हम आपसे। सो वेलकम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल।
थैंक यू।
हर्षित का इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं हम। हर्षित यूएई में खेल रहा है अब तक, अंडर 16, अंडर 19 टीम में खेलता आ रहा है। ही इज़ अ वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन, आई वुड से। उसने एक रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है। आपको पता होगा युवराज सिंह के बारे में, जिसने 6 छक्के मारे 6 बॉल में, एम आई राइट? और वो इतना वर्ल्ड फेमस हुआ और वो बंदा युवराज सिंह की लाइफ ऐसे पलटी है। सेम हर्षित सेठ, जिसने 6 बॉल में 6 विकेटें ली। आई थिंक दैट वाज अंडर 19 में जब आप खेल रहे थे हर्षित, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग।
तभी था।
6 बॉल में 6 विकेट है, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल। बट वो मैच मैंने देखा और आपको भी देखना चाहिए कि कैसे ली। तो आइए इस टॉपिक पे और इसी रिलेटेड हम बात करते हैं हर्षित से। सबसे पहले तो हम जानना चाहेंगे हर्षित कि ये जो अंडर 20, अंडर 16 जब आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो तो ऑफकोर्स इंस्पिरेशन होती है, कहीं से तो मिली होगी कि ऐसा नहीं कि आपने बल्ला उठाया चलो मार दिया।
हाँ।
तो ट्रेनिंग ली होगी, बट ये शुरू जर्नी कहाँ से होती है क्रिकेट की?
सो दिस प्रॉब्ली स्टार्ट्स जब मैं बहुत छोटा था। आई थिंक मैं 6-7 साल का था और मेरे जो पापा है वो क्रिकेट खेलते थे, और जब मैं पैदा हुआ था तो तब से वो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं। बट लाइक वी मूव टू दुबई व्हेन आई वाज प्रीटी यंग एंड आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू हिज मैचेस एंड देन स्लोली वहाँ से शुरू हुआ। फिर पापा ने देखा कि इसके अंदर भी पोटेंशियल है वो वाला, तो बस वहाँ से फिर मैंने एकेडमी ज्वाइन की, फिर हमने क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू किया वहाँ से, और फिर वहाँ से शुरू हुआ सब कुछ, एंड देन इट जस्ट केप्ट गोइंग ऑन फ्रॉम देयर।
पर आई थिंक हर्षित, जो आपने बात की, यस ऑफ कोर्स पापा को देख के या फिर किसी भी क्रिकेटर की लाइफ में देखो तो पीछे कोई ना कोई इंस्पिरेशनल होता बंदा है, राइट? बट 6 साल के बच्चे के दिमाग में कैसे आता है कि आई वांट टू प्ले क्रिकेट?
Obviously मैं matches देखता था. I used to watch matches on the TV. I used to watch cricket here and there, and of course I used to look up to my dad as well. But yeah, there are a few inspirational cricketers who I've seen, like Virat Kohli. Of course, he's an inspiration to the entire world.
Yes.
I love the way MS Dhoni is so calm under pressure. No matter what situation, he's always calm. Then there's Hardik Pandya, who's got his different aura. He's just so confident with whatever he does. So there are cricketers who I look up to as well. But obviously my dad is probably the most who I've looked up to till now.
उसी से मतलब आप ग्रो हुए हो, और आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से क्रिकेट भी उन्होंने सिखाया होगा फिर जब से।
हाँ, उन्होंने शुरू करवाया था क्रिकेट सिखाना, and then it just went on from there.
आपके दिमाग में या आपकी मेमोरी में ऐसा कुछ है जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो जब आपने बॉल पकड़ी और आपके पापा को ऐसा लगा हो कि हाँ ये बंदा क्रिकेटर बन सकता है, ऐसे कोई फनी मोमेंट्स आपको याद हो?
फनी मोमेंट्स ऐसे थे कि लाइक जो मैंने पहला मैच खेला था टिल नाउ वाज one match which my dad was playing, and I think one of his players got injured during a match, and I think it was a semi-final or something, and they just put me into bat, and I was a kid back then playing with a tennis ball, rubber ball in the academy, and I went into bat, and I think they needed 4 runs of the last over, and there was some fast bowler bowling to me, and he bowled the first ball, and I was so young, I think I was like 10 years old that time, 7 years, 8 years, I don't know. And he bowled one ball to me, and I literally didn't see it. It went past my bat, and I'm like, oh shit.
You missed
and,
it?
Yeah, I missed it. And then the next ball he bowled to me, I just put my bat at it, and somehow it went for 4, and we won that match. And that was the first match I played in my life. And that's the most amazing memory. Like, I got a trophy in that match as well, and that's one of the first trophies I've gotten. And I
Wow.
still have it kept in my room, like, as of now.
ट्रॉफी से मुझे याद आया कि जो मैन ऑफ द मैच आपको बहुत सारे मिले हुए हैं, एज वी वर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट बिफोर द इंटरव्यू। तो हर्षित यूएई से खेल रहा है, अंडर 16 अंडर 19 में खेलता आ रहा है। नाउ ही इज इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया। आप ये सोच रहे हो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्या कर रहा है? यस, ही इज प्लेइंग इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जो क्लब में ऑफकोर्स एक क्लब के थ्रू आप खेल रहे हो यहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में।
Yeah.
तो इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट जर्नी फ्रॉम यूएई टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो हाउ वुड यू डिफरेंशिएट कि अगर आप यूएई में खेल रहे थे इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, आप क्या फिगर आउट कर रहे हो, डिफरेंशिएट क्या कर पा रहे हो?
To be honest, I just wanted to get more experience playing in Australia, क्योंकि like the cricket in Dubai and the cricket in Australia is completely different. And like in Dubai we play shorter formats, we play T20s, whereas here they play 1-day games, 2-day games, तो लंबा format होता है थोड़ा. But obviously playing longer formats is always better because you just get better at making the games go deep and like उनको कैसे जिताते हैं end में जाके, क्योंकि cricket started off as a test match cricket where you played longer format, and that's the actual format. They've just started making T20 cricket a lot more popular. And I feel like I prefer playing longer formats, honestly, because it just improves your game. And there are a lot of things, like it teaches you how to be calm under pressure. And there are a lot of aspects to playing longer format cricket. So I prefer playing longer format. And when I've come to Australia, I've like learned that a lot of people like play longer format much better than how we play back in Dubai. And yeah, that's all.
How do you find out the Aussie mates?
They're very
They're pretty
nice.
easy?
Yeah, they're chill. Like the culture of cricket here is pretty different. Like you sit down, have a couple beers after the games, and like just chill. And like it's a completely different thing for people here about cricket. It's not like over here people who play cricket are just enjoying the game a lot.
Yeah.
And that's something I learned as well. Like the way they enjoy and play their cricket is much different from what we do in Dubai.
I think that's a sportman's too. So every sportman's has a like you know the confidence level. जब हम
Yeah.
बात करते हैं कोई फील्ड में जाता है स्पोर्ट्समैन, ऑफ कोर्स जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का डिफरेंट तरीका होगा, यूएई का डिफरेंट तरीका होगा, एट द एंड इट्स अ क्रिकेट, सेम ही है, स्पोर्ट तो सेम ही हुआ। बट आई एम गोइंग इनटू द डीप नाउ। हम एक स्टेप आगे लेते हैं कि यस यू हैव गॉन इनटू दिस अंडर 16 अंडर 19, उस एज में थे, तो उस एज में आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है इतना बिल्डअप नहीं हुआ होता, और आई थिंक हुआ होता तो स्पोर्ट्समैन की डिफरेंट जर्नी होती है। एवरी स्पोर्ट्समैन हैज़ अ डिफरेंट जर्नी, या तो फिर लगा लो क्रिकेट हो गया, या तो फिर कोई डिफरेंट गेम हो गई, बैडमिंटन हो गया, डिफरेंट जो भी गेम होती है। यस, इफ़ दे आर गोइंग इन टू दैट ग्राउंड, उनको कॉन्फिडेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर एंजाइटी लेके जाओगे तो आई डोंट थिंक सो इट विल वर्क इन टू द ग्राउंड और ऑन द ग्राउंड लेवल। तो आप क्या मानते हो हर्षित, आई नो कॉन्फिडेंस और ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट भी सब, मतलब कई क्रिकेटर्स या कई प्लेयर्स ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाते हैं कि यस आई नो दिस, यस आई नो हाउ टू प्ले दिस। आपके साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ कि आप ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट या कॉन्फिडेंस के बीच में कहीं जूझ रहे हो?
तो ऑब्वियसली कॉन्फिडेंस ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है। बहुत सिचुएशंस ऐसे हुए कि मैं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट था कि मैं ये मैच जिता दूंगा और मैं आउट हो जाता, एंड लाइक इट टीचेस यू हाउ टू स्टे ग्राउंडेड एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑफ कोर्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई फील बीइंग कॉन्फिडेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट बीइंग ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट इज रियली बैड थिंग, बिकॉज people who are overconfident tend to fall down. And obviously cricket teaches you a lot that way. So yeah, confidence is important, and you need to find that that fine line between being confident and overconfident. And yeah, you cannot play any sport without being confident, of course, because you need to back yourself, back your skills. You've trained for like playing a certain match throughout your life, and when you're there you need to be confident enough to get your team through the line. So yeah, that's important.
And Harshit, do you think arrogance, you need arrogance in the field? Do you think?
It depends on the personality of players, I guess. Some people are very chill, some people have that arrogance, but I think it all just depends on your personality, how you go about games. Like me personally, I'm not that arrogant on the field because everyone's a cricketer. You just respect players and you enjoy the game yourself. And you do get heated up in situations, and you do, like, that's on the field, but off the field everyone's pretty chill. And I've played with a lot of cricketers and stuff, and no one's arrogant off the field. Like, they're all really good mates outside the field.
I think जहाँ arrogance की बात होती है, I have seen one of the player. I will give you an example. Virat Kohli. When he comes into the field, in his eyes is too much aggression, because उनको, मुझे लगता है, या पूरे वर्ल्ड को लग रहा होगा, या कई लोगों को लग रहा होगा, कई लोगों को नहीं लग रहा होगा, मुझे लगता है कि जब आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे होते हो, बैटिंग कर रहे होते हो, और सामने कोई बॉलर आ रहा होता है, क्या सोचते हो कि इसको मैं ऐसे छक्का मारूंगा, इसको मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा, वो अग्रेशन नहीं होगा?
नहीं, आई थिंक जो आप विराट कोहली की बात कर रहे हो, I wouldn't call that aggression. I would probably call that passion for the game.
Right, that's the right word. Yes.
Yeah, so I think that's just his passion for the game, all his hard work he's done that you see in his eyes. And ऐसा कभी-कभी, I don't think it happens that often कि a bowler is running and you're like, मैं इसको इधर मार दूंगा, because I said cricket is a funny game.
Yeah.
And when you think that in your mind, I'm going to hit him for a six here, hit him for a six there, that's when you end up getting out, because it's happened with me a lot when I used to play age group cricket. I used to be like, oh, isko to I can hit him very easily, and then you just end up getting out after that. And that's why I said when you...
Overconfident.
Yeah, that's overconfidence, and that's what brings you to the ground. And it's all a learning process. Everyone goes through those phases, and they learn, and that's how you improve and get better. Yeah.
But I think जब कोई क्रिकेटर, जो भी आप भी जाते हो फील्ड पे, तो वेयर डू यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, मतलब कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हो, आप क्या सोचते हो जब आपका पहला दिन था? लेट्स गो बैक इनटू दी जो आपका 16 जो भी प्रोसेस आपने किया है, लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस लिया है, तो फर्स्ट डे था, आपको नर्वसनेस कितनी हुई थी? व्हेन यू गो टू द ग्राउंड, क्या आपने सोचा था? बिकॉज यू हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर इन योर माइंड टू कि यार कैसे होगा, मैं इस टीम के लिए खेल रहा हूँ, मैं इस कंट्री के लिए खेल रहा हूँ, एंड इफ आई हैवंट डन और इफ माई परफॉर्मेंस इज नॉट वेल, how the country will react on me, उसके लिए क्या सोचते आप?
So honestly, वो सबके mind में, like, that thing is there that if you don't end up performing, you might get out of the team and stuff like that. But I feel when you're playing international cricket, when you're playing franchisee cricket and stuff, I feel the coaches especially, they back you a lot. They show a lot of trust in you. No, not even franchise cricket, even normal club cricket, you do get backed a lot, and you do get various chances. And even the coaches were probably players at some times, and they know that it's a new lad who's come and you don't want to put pressure straight on him. So they do give you the backing, like, okay, just enjoy yourself and play the game. Because honestly, I feel when you worked hard for something, it does pay off.
Yeah.
And you just trust yourself and do it, and results come on its own. Like, you have to do what's in your control. And honestly, performing in a game, not performing in a game is not in your control.
Yeah.
But just giving your 100% is always in your control, and that's what we do.
आई थिंक जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान की मैच होती है, तब आई थिंक जो मुझे लगता है इंडिया पाकिस्तान के अलावा ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को भी ज़्यादा ऐसा होता है कि कौन जीतेगा कौन नहीं जीतेगा. आई थिंक यू गाइज आर द सेम, राइट, इन द UAE as well?
It's not that much anymore. It's just a very interesting...
It's a game?
Yeah, it's just another game, but it's just interesting because of whatever political reasons and stuff. But like, in the end, it's just a game, and both the teams have got a lot of passion and stuff.
हमारे लिए एक्चुअली दोनों साइड से, जब इंडिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा ही होता है, एंड में तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया, जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, एंड अप इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का होता है, या कई मैचेस नहीं होते. बट जब इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया होता है, जब यहाँ पे इंडियंस जो रहते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, जो सिटीजन्स हैं यहाँ के, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है कि अगर मैं किन को फॉलो करें, इंडिया को करें कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया को करें. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बोथ आर विनिंग, बोथ आर लूजिंग, वी आर ऑन द बोथ साइड. बट जब इंडिया लूज करता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, तो ऐसा लगता है कि दैट हर्ट्स अस मोर, एंड दैट्स
probably because you're Indian from inside, so it matters.
Yes. But जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया विन करता है, तो ऑफ कोर्स हमें लगता भी है, we are so proud कि हम ऑस्ट्रेलियंस हैं.
Yeah, of course.
So बात करें आपके 6 balls 6 out, मतलब जो आपने विकेट्स ली थी, 6 बॉल में 6 विकेट्स, उसकी स्टोरी हमें सुनाए कि what was that match about, वो क्या एक्सपीरियंस था?
So ये एक under 19 मैच था, which was a tournament going on in Dubai, and I just went. It was just another game for me. Just went in normally.
Very confident.
Yeah, just like another normal game, and I wasn't expecting anything like that to happen. And if I'm being very honest, we started bowling. I used to bowl with a new ball in the power play, and मैंने पहले ओवर में शायद एक आउट किया था. Then I think in the second over I got another wicket, and then the third over I got 6 wickets. And when I got those 6 wickets, in my mind it didn't even click me. Like, if I'm being honest, like when I bowled, I got the 6th wicket as well. I was just like, oh, I got a hat trick and stuff. It didn't come into my mind because I was just so locked in while bowling. I was so focused that I didn't notice what happened. And then when I went to the boundary to field after that third over, on the boundary the coach was like, you've gotten 6 wickets in 6 balls, a world record. And literally by the end of the match, we had like a news reporter standing outside who took an interview, and I was like, what did I even do? And he's like, you got a world record. I was like, what? Like, I was just shocked because I was like, I'm just doing my basics. I'm just bowling. I'm just getting them out. I'm like, okay, it's nice. Because our whole team, we were just enjoying and having fun, right? And I ended up getting 8 wickets by the end of that match. And I was really shocked. Like, I wasn't expecting something like that to happen. I don't think it would happen again. It's like something that happens once in a blue moon where you get 6 wickets in 6 balls. So obviously it was a really nice moment for me. It was something that I would never forget in my life. But yeah, I'm proud of that.
Of course, everyone does.
Yeah.
And I think the whole team जो आपकी थी, उन्होंने proud moment वो जिया है कि Harshit has done this. Of course, वो बहुत बड़ी achievement होती है, Harshit. How do you feel when you're on the ground and someone comes to you and just have a photograph with you? Because in this age, you are learning, and of course, एक ऐसा भी होता है कि यस हमने ये इतनी सारी बैटिंग कर ली, बॉलिंग कर ली, एंड जब ऑडियंस आती है आपके साथ तो यू अटैच टू मच टू द ऑडियंस एज वेल, आई गेस. तो वो क्या फीलिंग होती है आपके लिए?
Obviously proud feeling होती है. It's always proud to like see people coming and asking for pictures and stuff. And I don't like, because my parents have always taught me, like mom, dad, everyone's taught me to stay grounded. So I'm not someone who would walk away without giving them a picture, because it's probably your results of a hard work.
Yeah.
Because it's just paying off, and then you're just like, yeah, okay, you appreciate what everyone does for you. And yeah, I love how my mom and dad are always very proud for me. Like, I'd always see them in every match. They're just standing there and like cheering for me. And anyone comes and asks me for a picture, I can see that smile in my mom's smile, like on my mom's face, and I'm like, okay, like that's good. Like, she's proud of what I'm doing.
Oh, that's great. Harshit, अभी जो age है आपकी, I think you are just 21.
No, 20.
20. You're about to turn 21 in couple of months.
Yeah.
So इस टाइम पे बच्चे होते हैं कि चलो यार हमें चिल करना है, पार्टी करनी है, ये करना है. हम अपना मतलब कॉलेज में जाते हैं, मतलब कॉलेज में भी हमें टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करना होता, हम बंक मारते हैं. आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट. But of course students does that. तो आपके लिए ये of course ये जो जर्नी चल रही है आपकी क्रिकेट की, बिकॉज यू आर टू मच फोकस ऑन द क्रिकेट, तो आपके लिए आपको कभी नहीं लगा कि मुझे ये सारी भी चीज़ें इंजॉय करनी है ये छोड़ के?
I honestly feel agar you want to become something in life, you have to make sacrifices, which probably every cricketer till now has done. Like, even if you go back and look at probably Virat Kohli and stuff like them, everyone's made sacrifices in life. It's not like I don't party. I do party. I do go out with friends and stuff. But obviously that goes down. I don't do it as much as people my age.
Yeah.
But obviously that is there in me that I want to enjoy as well. But then I do have my priorities set where I focus on my cricket more than partying. But yeah, it just happens naturally. Like, if I don't have a game or practice someday, and then my friends just call me up, they're like, let's go. I was like, chalo, let's go. Like, I'm always down to go partying and stuff. But obviously, I have my priorities set where I go like, okay, cricket comes above everything, and then the rest just follows.
Isn't it hard for you?
It used to be hard when I was back in school, seeing all my friends go out and I'm just like at practice. But then I just got used to it gradually, because I was like getting up the ranks and stuff. So I was like, I would rather prioritize cricket and get myself somewhere where I'd want to see myself soon, hopefully.
Yeah.
But it's always a good feeling when you're going up the ranks, and I was ready to make the sacrifices then, and it's probably paying off now.
Which is good.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Which is good. I think actually everyone proud now. Parents सबसे पहले proud होता है कि ये मतलब बच्चा focus हो रहा है, क्योंकि आजकल की generation में हम parents को यही सोचते हैं कि बच्चा हमारा कौन सी line में जाएगा. But अगर ऐसा बच्चा है तो of course parents should proud on.
Yeah, literally every time I go out with my parents to some party, they're just always talking about me, and I'm like, मैं अगली बार आपके साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
I have another things to do which I can play on the ground.
Yeah.
Now, fair enough, Harshit. Just the last thing before we go on the rapid fire round, जो सबसे last round होता है हमारा. What do you want to say? अगर क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्रिकेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो लाइम टाइम में नहीं आते हैं. They have struggles in their life. बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलते हैं वो, बट कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है उनकी ज़िंदगी में जो नहीं आ पाते हैं. कई बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि दे वांट टू प्ले बट दे हैवंट गॉट अ ब्रेक. कहीं ब्रेक होना ज़रूरी है. बट व्हाट मैसेज दैट यू कैन पास टू अवर ऑडियंस, और जो आज की जनरेशन पे.
मैं सबको ऑनेस्टली यही बोलूँगा कि यू हैव टू कीप वर्किंग हार्ड एंड यू हैव टू गेट द डिसिप्लिन इन लाइफ. And it's obviously you have to keep working hard no matter what, because hard work always ends up paying off, and I believe in that. I've always worked hard my entire life. So yeah, just keep working hard and be disciplined and it'll pay off.
And be a cricketer if
Yeah.
you can. Yeah. Alright, तो इसी के साथ हम शुरू करते हैं रैपिड फायर राउंड हर्षित, जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. रैपिड फायर इज जस्ट दैट इन अ मिनट यू जस्ट नीड टू से आंसर कि एंड देन व्हाई.
Okay.
Whatever the answer you are giving, you just need to explain it why you saying that.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Alrighty. So start करते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन से. The best match you like it so far?
The best match I watched, probably the Ashes 2019, where Australia was probably winning the Ashes one-sided, and then Ben Stokes walked in, scored 100. And I think
And
that was like a crazy moment.
Yes.
That was like probably the craziest match I watched, just looking at him being so calm under pressure and like making them
Happen.
go through the
Yeah.
line, and I was like, very nice.
Great, great. Who is your favorite batsman? Oh, that's a tricky question, but yeah, who is
Tricky
it?
question. I probably would say Virat Kohli.
And why? I think it's everyone's favorite.
Everyone's favorite, but it's
Yeah.
just his technique and his commitment towards batting is always really good. Like you'd always just see him, like I've seen him like just rocking up to practice always like before the team comes up, and he gets his own practice done, which actually motivated me a lot to do the same thing.
Yeah.
So now when I go for practice, I'm always there early, just batting, doing my own session, and then getting into the group session, which is always a good thing.
So I think Virat Kohli, you're on fire at the moment because everyone's favorite you are. Who is the favorite player?
Favorite player, I'd probably say Hardik Pandya in this case, only because he's an all-rounder, because even I'm an all-rounder.
Yeah.
And I just love his confidence and just the way he carries himself. Like, he had phases in his life where he was down and
Yeah.
he was up,
Yeah.
but he always just focused, stayed disciplined, played the game, and
with tattoos.
yeah.
Great answer. What's your favorite memory you have in cricket so far?
Obviously the double hat trick, the 6 wickets and 6 balls, probably my favorite memory till now.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's everyone's. It's a world record. So everyone's,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, perfect. Normally now, I was just reading the couple of things that when batsmen go onto the field, they carry more than 5 or 6 or 10 bats with them. How many bats you carry with you?
Oh, so I carry 4 to 5 bats with me in my kit bag wherever I go.
Yeah.
But I prefer not telling people that because they just like, can we have one bat, can we have one bat? And I'm just too nice. I just sometimes end up giving my bats to them, but yeah.
Now everyone knows that. And the last question, Harshit, will go, and then we end up the rapid fire round. Who is the biggest inspiration for you?
Obviously my dad, and my dad's my biggest inspiration. But if you go cricket wise, there's one cricketer who I really love and look up to is probably MS Dhoni.
Yes, I was just thinking why you haven't just mentioned
Oh,
MS
yeah.
Dhoni yet.
So I think it's probably him, just the way
Yeah.
he stays so calm under pressure.
Yeah.
And I think that's a really important learning for everyone, every budding cricketer as well, that just the way you need to stay so calm under pressure where you don't let things get to you, because when you're under pressure, that's when when a sportsman's actually tested.
Yeah.
And just the way he stays so calm under pressure is really good, and I really look up to that.
Perfect. Now that's the way to go as well, because under pressure में कैसे क्रिकेट की मतलब मैच खेलना और कैसे कंट्री को मतलब जिताना पूरे टीम के साथ, वो बहुत एफर्ट्स लगते हैं. आई मीन बट क्रिकेटर्स आर डूइंग सो वेल इन अंडर प्रेशर, आई वुड से.
Yeah, because they're trained for that. They've
Yeah.
played so many age group cricket matches where they've probably been in the same situation. And even if you're playing in front of 100,000 people in a crowd, even like when I played my first franchise league and stuff, it was like I thought I'd have a lot of pressure on me because there are so many people watching and stuff. But I think you just gradually get used to it, and you just play the game. And when I'm in the field, especially, everyone around me is just muted, and I'm just locked in when I'm playing.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ that people are cheering up for you, thousands are hundred and thousand people are sitting in front of you, आप मैच खेल रहे हो, and all of the sudden आप मैच हार गए, या ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट याद है आपको?
ये हुआ है अभी,
And
like
how do you feel?
when we were playing the Abu Dhabi T10 right now, there were like a lot of people, probably like thousands, 100,000, 50,000 people in the ground, and we were playing the game, and I was fielding on the boundary, and I could just hear everyone cheering. Like, I couldn't hear what they were saying because there's so many people. But obviously, the first thing I had to do that time was probably just stay calm under pressure.
Yeah.
And I was just like trying to avoid their voices. And I gradually, because that was like one of the first matches we played. And then towards the end of the tournament, it just faded away. And when I was fielding on the boundary, I couldn't really hear anything. But yeah, that thing is always there in the back of your mind that you need to do well, or else you'll, like, there are a lot of people looking at you. But it's just, again, back to your confidence and how you deal with situations like that.
And I think expectations बहुत होती है लोगों को पूरे वर्ल्ड को जब क्रिकेट मैच देखा जाता है. हम लोगों को होती है स्पेशली कि कोई भी क्रिकेटर खेल रहा है तो वो हमारी कंट्री को जीता है. एंड आई थिंक सेम गोज टू एवरी कंट्री. जिस भी टीम के साथ खेल लो, और टीम जो कोच होता है उसको सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है कि हम कैसे खेल रहे हैं, जो ट्रेनिंग दी है हमने वो सही दी है, एंड हाउ यू परफॉर्म ऑन द ग्राउंड. बट वेल डन हर्षित, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग विथ अस. बात करने में बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. आई कैन टेक दिस इंटरव्यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट वी हैव अ शॉर्ट टर्म टाइम. बट थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, और हम इसी तरह के टॉपिक लेके आएंगे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग नीजी की आवाज़ आप तक कैंप पॉडकास्ट.